In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView. Let's start right from the beginning. Open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. You'll land on the TradingView homepage, which is the gateway to all the charting tools you'll need. We're aiming to work inside the full chart workspace because that's where the drawing toolbar lives and where you'll have the most control over what you create. From the homepage, choose stocks, so you're looking at market symbols, then open the full chart. This loads the complete charting interface with your price chart in the center, time controls along the bottom, and most importantly for this tutorial, the drawing tools running down the left side. If your chart looks condensed, don't worry. Once the full chart view is open, you're in the right place. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar for the geometric shapes tool. It's the icon that groups common shapes together, and it typically looks like a small square or triangle. Click that to open the shapes menu. This menu organizes a handful of useful charting shapes in one place, and it's perfect for marking areas like price ranges, consolidation zones, or support and resistance regions. From that shapes menu, select rectangle. As soon as you choose it, your cursor becomes ready to draw on the chart. Move your cursor to the area you want to highlight, click once to anchor the first corner, then click and drag to set the opposite corner. Release the mouse when the rectangle covers the area you want. That's all there is to placing it. After the rectangle appears, you can fine-tune it with simple gestures. Hover near an edge or a corner to resize it, or click and drag from the center to reposition it without changing its size. A small formatting panel may appear nearby. This is where you can quickly adjust the fill color or border so your rectangle stands out against the candles. If the chart feels crowded, zoom in a bit so your rectangle is precise and easy to place. Rectangles are great for visually framing zones you care about. Think recent highs and lows, sideways ranges, or areas where price reacted multiple times. Keeping them neat and clearly colored helps you scan your chart faster and stay organized during analysis. And that's the full workflow. Head to tradingview.com, choose stocks, and open the full chart. Click the geometric shapes tool and pick rectangle. Click and drag to draw, then adjust as needed. With these steps, you'll be able to mark important areas on your charts quickly and confidently.